Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So first need to restart your system, okay? Otherwise shut down, and after 30 seconds need to on. This is first and next step. So first enable the camera access, click to start, go to setting, privacy and setting, second last, and then scroll down, find out the camera, and please check it is off or on. So it is off, so please turn on, and also check access which software given to camera access, okay, and then close it. Then next method, check the device manager, click to start, type device manager, okay, open it, extract the camera, select this is your camera, right click to update driver, update automatically, okay, and then right click to uninstall and then uninstall it, okay. Then again click to action and then click scan hardware changes, and then come back again camera, okay. And if you don't know about model number, so you can just double click device detail, select it, and find out hardware id, hardware id. This id you can search, right click to copy this id, you can search on Google, and after that you can download the driver. Otherwise you know the model number of your laptop, so you can do this. Then open any browser, click on the search box, type Dell laptop camera driver, download. The first link is the official website, click on it, scroll down, this is exe, click to download. You can see Dell webcam and select. After that it is start download installing, then click to exe and next to install, okay, and then close it. Then last, it's very important for your system, so repair your windows. If sometime what happened, it's corrupted, so two command need to apply one by one. So click to start, type cmd, right click to run as administrator, then first this command and just right click to paste, and it's enter to apply. After that it will scan 100% completed, then try to second one, then copy and type here and then hit enter. After that same thing it's happening here, and it is completed. Then restart your system and then please check it. Thank you guys.